This class we will talk about do while loop. So what is do while loop and what is the source code of do while loop? The loop start from at the top and we have a variable with value 0 and print a. First time uh, loop will print value at least one time. After that it check condition and back again, increment and print check condition, increment print check condition, increment print until unless condition won't true or false. If condition false it goes on end, if condition true it goes repeated again and again. Okay, so what is different between in do while and for? As I have explained for loop, we know how much time for loop will be executed, and what is do while loop and what is while loop. And while loop is used, we don't know how much time the body of while loop will be executed. Okay, and the difference between in do while loop means do one time, after that check the condition. Loop will be executed at least one time first, after that it will execute its body. So if somebody asked what is different between in loop do while loop, while and do while loop, we don't know how much time while loop will body of while loop will be executed. We know at least one time do while loop, the condition of while loop will be printed at least one time, after that it executed. Okay, I hope you easily understand what is do while loop. In next class we will discuss on the code of do while loop. Have a good day and bye.